Boxer Vibes here. We have a unboxing video for you guys today, so let's jump right into it. Somebody bought this for me and told me that they were going to be sending it to me, so I'm actually kind of excited to see what I got. Okay. That's what it came in. I like the packaging, not bad. It's supposed to be a tactical book bag. There's my gift receipt there. Alright, I like it. I love the gray. It's a new Judy bag for me, y'all. I'm actually pretty excited to put this to use. Once I get it set up, I'm going to do another video going over exactly what's all in it, what I carry in it, what I plan to carry in it, stuff like that. Well, that opens up pretty wide there. I got an inner compartment here. I also got a compartment on the opposite side. Put a couple of wires in here. It definitely feels like sturdy material. Don't feel flimsy. Love the patch. I actually got some patches right there that I'll probably throw in here. Yeah, that's really cool. It has Molly on the front, so I can put a couple of other things like extra mace on here on the front of it. I can put probably, you know, just some stuff that I would need to get to quickly. Knife, I put duty knife on here. Extra set of handcuffs or something. But yeah, for the most part, what a neat little bag this is. Let me see if there's a tag or something here. No. Let me see if the gift receipt. It just says 25L military tactical book bag. So, nope, not really. Doesn't really show who it's from, unless this is going to be the makers. I don't think so, but I'm gonna look it up and I'll put the link in the description in the bottom. Seems like it came from Amazon, but I'll put their website and the Amazon link in the description. If you like it, if you think that this is something that could work for you in your patrol setup, take a look, get it. I will also be doing another review of this after I've used it for some time and after I've had it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the unboxing video. I am going to be doing some more unboxing videos because I have some more duty belts and equipment coming. I'm going to be changing my setup that I have. I'm also going to be doing a couple of other videos as well. So stay tuned. If you like this channel, if you like security, please leave a like, a comment in the description, and let me know what you want to see, what kind of content you'd like me to see. Peace.